halatang halata. Great job, Rexelyn. Very powerful performance. And she never looked back. Yun ang gusto ko. She had one track mind and gusto niya makapasa sa next round. Kaya, thumbs up. Yung sa akin, yung una sa lahat is her drive para magpatuloy. Actually, kasi yung dalawang bata, si Hyunhae at si Clet, medyo naging timid ng konti. Si Rexelyn naman, siya yung sa palagay ko yung nag-push at nagbigay talaga ng maximum capability. So, good job. All three of them did great, but stand out sa akin si Rexelyn for that performance.